Hey everyone, let me ask you a simple question. What is the most important thing that Gen Z should know? Okay, imagine this. You woke up at 8:55 a.m. and your assignment submission is at 9 a.m. You panic, your brain stops working, but your Wi-Fi still works. And I am speaking about generative AI. What exactly is generative AI? When new content is created by the artificial intelligence, it is called as generative AI. Just imagine you have the ability to create anything just by describing what you need and how it should work. And this is the power of generative AI. Unlike the traditional AI which says, this is a cat, generative AI says, oh, you need a purple cat with the sunglasses on the Mars, give me 5 seconds. Let's be honest guys, we Gen Zs does not want to work harder but smarter. Generative AI helps saves time, boost creativity, build side hustles, create content easily and learn faster. Generative AI is not just a tool. It's like that one smart friend in the group who always has answers. And who doesn't need this kind of friend? Let me ask you something. Have you ever stared at your screen at 1 a.m., deadline tomorrow, brain empty and confidence gone? Welcome to Gen Z life. But now we have backup for it. I would like to share 3 generative AI tools. The first one, GitHub Copilot. Let's not make it complicated. Just imagine you're stuck at the coding. You don't know what to do next. Your copilot looks at it and says, I got this. It suggests the next line of your code. It completes the function and even helps fix errors. It's like that one topper friend who does not sleep, does not complain, and does not judge your messy logic. The second, Runway ML. Just imagine you want to create a cinematic reel. No green background, no camera crew, no digital editing. Just you and creativity. This runway removes background, create videos from the text, and add movie style effects instantly. It's like having a mini Netflix studio inside your laptop. The third, Suno. Now let's talk something about reality. Have you ever experienced a situation at 2 a.m. overthinking about your life, career, and future? Or sometimes it may be about love. And suddenly you need a life advice. Well, this tool can literally turn your emotional breakdown into a motivational song. You just type create a song for not giving up and boom, lyrics, music, vocals, vibes, and it's done. So basically, Copilot helps you survive exam, Runway helps you look creative, and Suno AI helps to solve your 2 a.m. crisis. Remember, generative AI is not here to replace us, it's here to upgrade us. We are the first generation that's not just using technology but collaborating it. So the question is not will AI take our jobs? The real question is, are we ready to build with it?